let's get ready for penmanship. Today you will learn to write uppercase D. What will you learn to write? That's right, uppercase D. Great responding together. I'll put a sun ray on your sun. All right, so when I write uppercase D, I begin just below the top line. But before we do that, we want to know what lines are which lines. Name these lines. Correct. Top line, dotted line, bottom line. Okay, so after knowing the lines, when I write uppercase D, I start just below the top line. I recite as I write uppercase D. Down, curve around to the right, uppercase D. Now, recite and name uppercase D as I write. Down, curve around to the right, uppercase D. Awesome. We'll give you another sunbeam for responding. All right, so uppercase D is just, the top of uppercase D is just below the top line, and the bottom of uppercase D is just above the bottom line. Okay, again, recite and name uppercase D as I write. Down, curve around to the right, uppercase D. Now, is this a good uppercase D? No, it is not a good uppercase D. Great answer. Why is it not a good uppercase D? Yes, it is not a good uppercase D because the bottom of the D goes below the bottom line. All right, recite and say uppercase D as I write it correctly. Down, curve around to the right, uppercase D. Great. Let's do it again. Say with me. Down, curve around to the right, uppercase D. Again. Down, curve around to the right, uppercase D. Is this a good D? No, it is not a good D. Why is it not a good D? That's correct. The D goes in the wrong direction. Recite and name it with me as I write correctly, uppercase D. Down, curve around to the right, uppercase D. Okay, now notice between the D's there's a space. When I write letters, or when we write letters, we leave a space. What do we leave between letters? A space. That's right. Great responding. Now, recite and name with me as I write two uppercase D's. Down, around to, curve around to the right, uppercase D. Down, curve around to the right, uppercase D. Are these good D's? No, that's correct. These are not good D's. Why are they not good uppercase D's? Awesome, because there's not a space. I will erase these D's. And we'll leave a correct space between them. Recite and name uppercase D with me. Down, curve around to the right, uppercase D. down, curve around to the right, uppercase D. Awesome. Now, we're going to trace uppercase D. When I trace uppercase D, I start just below the top line and recite as I trace uppercase D. Down, curve around to the right. Now you say with me, recite and say uppercase D as I trace. Down, curve around to the right. Let's do one more. Down, curve around to the right. Is this a good tracing? That's right, it's not. Why is it not good tracing? Correct, we did not follow the lines. Okay, let's do it one more time. Recite and say with me as I trace uppercase D. Down, curve around to the right, uppercase D. Awesome. Now take your papers, put your pencil on line 1 at the point of right below the top line. Let me see what you've done. Great job. I like how you're putting your pencil where I say. Okay. I want you to recite and name as you trace the first uppercase D. Down, curve around to the right, uppercase D. Awesome. Now do the second one. Great following directions. Okay, now I want you to move to line 3 and put your pencil at the top. If you look at line 3, there's only part of an uppercase D. I want you to start your pencil at the right below the top line and recite and name as you complete uppercase D. Awesome. Now do the second uppercase D. Complete, recite, and name. Great job. All right, look at line 5. On line 5, we only have a starting point. Can everyone point to their starting point on line 5 for uppercase D? Awesome. Now, I want you to recite and write uppercase D on line 5, the first one. Awesome. Good job. Do the second uppercase D. Recite and name as you write. Wonderful. Now let's move to line 7. I want you to put your pencil on the place where you start the uppercase D. Recite and write. Write, recite, and name uppercase D, the first one on line 7. I love how you're following directions. Now finish the line 7. Great job. You guys just learned how to do uppercase D. Remember, you learned today how to write uppercase D. What did you learn? Uppercase D.